Hi, I'm doing a review on behalf of BlenderAuthority.com. I've used the Nutribullet 600 that we have here for well over 1,000 uses for years. I do have other Nutribullet units which we'll talk about in other videos, and I've used the other models as well as a wide range of the countertop blenders. The 600 here that you see is the original one. It's the one you see in the infomercials. It's a solid little blender. You can see the various accessories. We have the short cups here. These are the tall cups that come with it. You can also get the colossal cups, which come with the 900 model blender. And then the standard blade that comes with it is the one that's used on all the Nutribullet models. Now this one is what happens if you wash it in a dishwasher. Don't wash the blade in a dishwasher. But you can see it's engineered for blending and pureeing. The 600 is the only model that comes with the flat milling blade. Works very well for milling nuts and seeds, helps with nut butters and flour. I did just order a new blade and the new cup, and I wanted to verify that nothing's changed on the blades from Nutribullet. So you can see the one on the right is the original one I've had for over 4 years. You can see it's identical, nothing's changed. And this is the same blade on the top. Now the centerpiece is a little more reinforced here. Years ago they had some leakage issues, but generally I've never had any issues with leakage. They still have the same washer built in here that can come out for cleaning. Overall, it's a solid blender. It works well with all the ingredients I've tried. Sometimes it might be a little bit more difficult with blending something like kale, celery, hard carrots. Just means you have to blend it a little bit longer. Technically, they say the capacity is 24 ounces based on the 600 watt motor, but I've used the larger colossal cup that comes with the 900 plenty of times. It works fine. Other than that, it's a solid blender. I've held it up against other personal blenders. It's very reliable, blends very well, have had no issues with it. It depends on the different models that they have available in different stores. We'll decide on what accessories you get, but typically they'll come with at least one or two of the short cups and one of the tall cups. They don't usually come with the larger colossal 32-ounce cup. All of them now, the 600, come with the standard recipe book and user guide. It's very useful. It's got all the recipes you need for the different types of health issues you might have or using different ingredients, and it gives you a meal plan. This is a more extensive one. This used to be included with some of the models a while back. I'm not sure if they include it with all the new 600s, but it's not necessarily necessary. It goes into a lot more about just the whole philosophy on blending and various ingredients for improving your health, but really the main one is this recipe guide. Other than that, they're very easy to use. You just screw it on. The cups have these little locking tabs here, and then you would just stick it in and turn it, and it blends away. We'll make a couple smoothies in another video, and we'll do a comparison with the other Nutribullet models as well as against the popular Nutri-Ninja blender. But overall, highly recommend it. It's a solid blender. I've used it for years, never had any issues. You can do great with milling seeds, flour. It blends flaxseed great. You can easily make most smoothies that you would need, and just only a few certain raw ingredients might take a little more time. Hopefully that helps, and you can check out the links below for a little more in-detail comparison on this model versus other Nutribullet models on our website. Thank you.